I'm Omarosa, and I am a reality TV legend. I am most famous for the first season of The Apprentice. And then I had an opportunity to work in Washington in the Trump White House. The one thing that I learned from politics is you have to know how to watch your own back. And in some instances, you're gonna watch your front too. After the very interesting year I've had, I'm actually looking forward to being away from cable news, from Twitter, from newspaper, from the press. I'm pretty sure that the world doesn't know that I am a Big Brother super fan. As I enter into the Big Brother house, as challenges come my way, I will seek to overcome each and every one of them. I'm exceptional in everything that I do and I aspire to do. I was the queen of the boardroom. Now I'll be the queen of the Big Brother house. Celebrities, you better watch your back.